Hello everyone, my name is Durgesh and welcome to the SQL series lecture 4. In this video, we are going to cover main 5 bullet points that will be how to upload CSV file in SSMS. After that, we will recall insert and delete command that we covered in our previous videos. After that, we have update command, that how you will be able to update some records in your table. Then I will show you how to change a data type of any column in your table. Then we have where clause. Then in the last, I will show you some important facts that will be very helpful in your query writing time. Okay, so first thing, let's go for how to upload CSV file. Okay, so most important thing, I would like to just check it out, or I would like to remind you guys. See, if you want to upload your CSV file, so it is very most important thing to know that where you want to upload your CSV file. As we know, each and every data are to be stored in a database. So firstly, you need to choose your database. Okay, so the main thing is I would like to choose my database where I want to upload my CSV file. So for that, I will just click on this database. I have my database, the name with SQL in 4 weeks. So I want to upload my CSV file in this database. So I will just right click here. After that, we have tasks. So I will just hover my mouse here. So the option will be appearing here. And then I will click on this import flat file. So import flat file will just ask me to path where my file is located. So I'm not going to fill my path. If you want to, and if you have copied your path, then you can just paste it out from your file manager. And then you can you can just click on this browse button. Then all the file managers will be like all the files will be appearing here. So these are the folders. So we want to upload my file. So most important things, guys, you can see here in our data files, like this is the extension tab. So you can see here we have CSV and text, right? So we can upload only CSV files, not Excel or anything. So I'm just going to find it out my file. So I think it should be in documents. Okay, I'm just going to upload this as student CSV file. So I will just select it. I will just click on open. So as you can see, the path has been come here, and the name of that table is came here. So even you can see here, it has been written name, new table name. Okay, if you don't want to keep this name as a table name, so you can change it out. So I'm just going to change a student. Okay, it's not good. Okay, I'm just going to student. Okay, student. So you can write anything here. I'm just going to write student. Then we will just click on next button. It's saying provided table name already exists. Guys, I wanted to show you this thing. That's why I written this student. As I have already imported, or as I have already imported this file in my SQL Server Management Studio. So I just keep the table name of a student. So if you are trying to upload, so it will not be uploaded. Okay, so you need to change the table name, because a same name of table or same name database cannot exist. Okay, so I'm just going to write here student details. Okay, student details, and I'm going to click on next. So I just click on next. So you can see all the details are coming here in front of you. And then, guys, one most important thing is here. You can see use rich data detection, type detection, something is written here. So if you will not click here, then what will happen? So as you know, we are uploading this file directly. So definitely these college ID, first name, last name has their data types, right? So we are not going to write a data type for these values. So what this box will do is it will detect a by default data type for each columns. So as I have checked in. So if you haven't checked, so please check that box. Okay, then click on next. Now it's asking for modify columns. If you want to change your data types, or if you want to put any constraint for any particular column, then you can do it from here, right? It's very cool, right? Yeah. So if you want to assign primary key for this college ID, then you can do from here. You don't need to write any code for this. So till now, like as of now, I'm not going to do any primary key or anything in my table. So I'm just clicking on the next button, then it will ask for summary, like it will show a summary. Then just click on finish button, then it will show the message. Yeah, insert data success. So our data has been to be success, and then let's cut this file. Okay, so as I this was my previous, right? So I'm just going to ask my new table. So you can see my new table here. So please guys, don't be confused. Actually, I had two table here. Wait, let me show you. You can see this is student, and oh, then I had student details. You can see I have two tables here, student first and the student details. So guys, if you are writing a student, then you don't need to write your all the name of all the word character for your table. Just write some of them, and then you will find it out like this. Then just go up and down with your keys like arrow. I'm just going to take this one, and then that's fine. So we got the our table name. I'm just going to run my code with F5. Note it down, guys. The shortcut key in SQL Server Management Studio is F5. If you are using your laptop, then probably it will not work. But if you are using keyboard, then try to run this code with F5. Okay. So we got these details, right? Now we are going to recall this thing. We have covered this how to upload CSV file, right? I'm just going to show you how you can insert and delete some records in this. Okay, so then here I'm going to write, as we have already discussed in our previous video, that for inserting a record into table, we will write insert into as an English grammar, that I'm inserting something into a box or into something. So into what? Into table. So table name is student details. I'm just going to student details here, and then I will add. So what I'm going to add? Value, not column. So I'm just going to write values. Guys, most important thing, if you will write value only, it will not work. You have to write values. Okay, I can show you for you. Okay, so as of now I'm writing value. Then I will just on and close my bracket. Then I'm just going to, okay, actually I have copied my details, I think. Yeah, so you can see I have just written some values here. So what do you think, guys, if I will run this code? So let's see it will work or not. So guys, you can see it's saying incorrect syntax near value. Okay, here. So the thing is, I have used value, but the main syntax is not value, it's values. So I'm just going to press S here, and then I'm going to run my code. So as I will run my code, you can see one row affected. Okay, so it means one row affected and completion time is showing for now. So it means our one record has been inserted into the table. Now I'm just going to this select all from a student table. I'm just going to show, or I'm just going to check that how and where my this information has stored. So I'm running the code with the press of F5. So we got college ID, first name, and these things, and then you can find it out in the 9th rows. We have 1135, my roll number or college ID, sorry. Then I have first name, my last name, my stream, my Gmail ID, my phone number. That's good. Okay, we have covered the second one option also. Then we have delete, sorry. We have covered insert. We are going to cover delete. How we can delete? So guys, I'm going to delete this value. Like as I inserted this value, I'm going to delete this. So I'm just going to write here delete. Okay. The thing is, if I will say go and like suppose if you have a bag, in that bag some balls are there, and if I will say just remove two bags, so what you will say? Like let's say if you have two bags, and if I say just remove some balls, so you will say from where, right? So that's why in delete also, if you are writing delete keyword, then it's asked from where I will delete something. So delete from, then from delete from table, brother. So I will write my table name student details, and it will say if you will write only this delete from details. So guys, I will not show you this thing, because if I will run this query delete from student details, then it will be deleted everything. Okay, so as of now I'm just going to cover this thing with a where clause, as I told you in example. Like if I'm saying to you, just pick some balls from where? From bags. So like that, I'm just going to write delete from student details. Okay, where delete from student tables, where, okay, I'm just going to write college ID equal to okay, I'm just going to write 1135 that I inserted now. I'm just going to press F5. Guys, you can see one row affected. Why I'm going slow? Because see, this, if I will not go slow, if I will not give you an example and these kind of things, then you guys will forget these syntaxes. And these are very most important things where people do mistake. Okay, so that's why I'm just going slow for you guys. That please keep in mind these things. Okay, so delete from student details and these things I written, and you can see one row affected we got as output. I'm just going to show you this table that what information is existing now or it has been deleted. So if I will just click, so you can see here we have 8 records, right? So that's fine, we have covered delete. Now many of our students have the concern like what is this where clause and where and why you have used it. So guys, this where used with many of things. I will just cover this where clause here. Before that, let's check how to change a data type of a column. Okay, no, we haven't covered update, right? So let's cover update first. Okay, so as we have this Johnny right here in the 8th rows, we have Johnny in first name. So I'm just going to write Durgesh, okay, in a first name. Like update means what? I just want to show you like what is update and how it's work. Update is nothing but this is a keyword. With the help of update, you can update any records in your table which is existing. Let's say suppose if I have Johnny, first name Johnny, I wanted to update it with my name. So I'm just going to do, let me show you. Okay, so what thing is, see guys, most important thing, just keep mind here and be concentrate. Update has 2 things. First update and then it has set. Okay, these 2 keywords run together to update anything in your table that is existing. So update takes a table name that where and where is your data stored. Okay, so it means like update this table. I'm just saying you in a normal way that you will be able to understand. Update this table, okay, a student details, update a student details and set. What set? Set karo, like set first name. Set first name equal to my name. So let me write my name here. Okay, Durgesh. Okay, so as I written, update student details means update this table by setting first name equal to Durgesh. So guys, what do you think? This code will run? See, here I haven't tell that where you will update this Durgesh, right? As I told to you that I want to update this Durgesh here, right? So first thing, I would like to show you what error is coming if I will run this code without like where clause. Okay, so see if I will run this code. So 8 rows affected. Okay, 8 rows affected means we had 8 records, right? See, we had 8 records here. Okay, we had 8 records here earlier, and you can see by update a student details set first name equal to Durgesh, it has been updated everywhere, right, in a first name section. So the thing is, that's like, see, I wanted to just keep your mind on where clause, that what is the importance of where clause. Okay, where clause is as many important as you can imagine. It's very important. With the little mistake, by not using this where clause, you can lost your job, I will say honestly. So that's why I'm just doing this thing for you, that please keep your mind in your like at where clause. So see, now I have another table also, that is called like, okay, students. See here. So as I can run this code here, select from students. So now we have this exact result, right? But I have updated here. Guys, don't think that it has been not updated. Okay, it has been updated. That is very bad things. Okay, that is a wrong. So now see here, Durgesh has been updated. So it's not a right query. So here you can see in my this table, these are the like in a right way, right? So I'm just going to update this Durgesh here as a at a Johnny place. So to do this, I will write here where. Okay. Now again I will write first name. Okay. F. Okay. Where first name equal to what is Johnny. I'm going to write JOHNNY, and then I will run this code. See, it's saying 0 row affected. Why? Wait, let's check. Because Johnny has double N, even I have put it. Okay, I think due to this JOHNNY. Okay. Okay. So the thing is, I haven't changed here that table name. Sorry. Okay. So here you can do this way, and now you can see one row affected. So if you will see this table, so now instead of Johnny, we have Durgesh. So this is the good way to update or delete anything. That's why I used here where clause, and I thought to show you the importance of where. So that's why I just make mistake for you here, that what will happen if I will not use delete, or if I will not use where. If I will, like, if I use if I do not use where here, so I will be able to, like, I will be lost all my records. So that's why I didn't show you here. So I show you here also, these things. Okay, so if you will not write where clause, so it will update everything. So just keep in mind this thing. This is where most important things. Okay, I was thinking to let you know this thing in last, but actually my excitement or curiosity to let you know, that was not being hide, so I just come up with that. Okay, so we have learned this update command here, and where command, I don't think where is now required, right? Where you have guys have already learned that what is the importance of where and where to use this where. Okay, for theoretical part, I would like to show you here one thing, that where is used to filter records. Okay, filter records is not mean like filter and keep it out. It's not like that. Even it can work like this, but here as we have used this where clause to identify. Okay, so where is used for filter record and to know things where it is located. Okay, the normal things I have told about this where clause. Okay guys, so I think we have covered these things. Then we had, okay, change data types column, right? Okay, we have covered, means I have covered important facts that I was thinking to let you know in the last, but I have covered here quickly. So now the last thing is remain is change column data types. Okay, so let's cover how to change data type of the column. Okay, so as we have this small int, we are going to change it the int or big int. So to do this, as we have already learned about alter command, right, that fall under DML. So in my previous video, if you haven't watched these topics, then just go in my playlist. You can find it out all the videos related to these topics, and you will be able to understand very easily like this as we have learning now. So I'm just going to write my code like alter, and I'm going to write my table name alter student. That was my table name, alter student. Then we have let's say I'm just going to first making, like I'm just allowing my table to be, like edit. So for that I'm using alter. Who guys are not aware with this alter, so that's why I'm just telling here as of now. So alter student, okay, and then sorry guys, alter student, and then I'm just going to do as um okay, I was thinking, I'm just forgetting something. Alter table and student, okay, alter table student, then we have this college id column, right? So I'm just going to write my column for like altering, alter column, and okay, so alter, if I will write alter column, then I have to write my column name, right? So I'm just not going to write this, I'm just going to alter college id. Column college id, alter column, alter table student, alter column college id. So guys, if you want to alter your table or anything, so just write alter table, because we want to like alter table, right? So I write alter table, then table name student, and then alter column inside the table, alter column, and okay, so column name is college id. Okay, I think I have written wrong here. Okay, see, alter column college id. Okay, college id, then I want to change my data type, so I will just assign int here. That's cool. If I will just run this code, it should work. That's cool. Command completed successfully, so our data type has been changed. So we have covered all main important things in this video. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like this video. That will be very helpful and motivational for me. So do subscribe this channel for my this good effort if you think, and like this video and share with your friends, because that will be very helpful for each and everyone who wanted to make their career in a data analyst or in SQL, like study SQL, anything. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Bye bye.